Hello and welcome to another video. This is XRPUSD daily chart, and let's see together where is our resistance, where is our support, and what will happen next day. First of all, look at this beautiful trend line here. This trend line is very important for XRP. And those are our confirmation for this trend line. If I use static support here with this trend line, this is our most important support for XRP. If this support break, after this support, this one and this one is next support for XRPUSD. Okay, let's see lower time frame and find resistance. If I use this bearish trend line here and use this median line, here is very important resistance for XRPUSD in next hours. Those resistance are our most important resistance for XRPUSD in 60-minute chart, and if market can't break this resistance, maybe bearish until or bullish trend line. I'm in here. If market can't break those resistance, I think we have a bearish market until here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget money management, don't forget like and subscribe.